Uwi na kami mga kasulid. Bundok, may ano, simentado yung mga bundok.
Now go home and sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah, you not go to church, yeah?
Oh. Yeah.
So I现在家 go sleep 啊。
Naga washing clothes.
Washing. Go do the laundry. Use the washing machine. Let's go.
Laundry washing machine. Primera, pakyat eh. Primera yan.
Primera, ditulak.
Oh, segunda na. Oh. Galing. Kaya
Oy, okay ka lang dyan. Hindi na ako nag-almusal.
Ako rin. May papaya pa tayo. Hinog. Kulang na lang ng manok yung ano.
Wala,
papaya.
Pakita yung manok ni
May itlog naman tayo na nakuha.
Wala yung manok.
You know my house there.
Hey, where?
Where your house?
I will be house there. I will do house.
Hanto house eh.
Punta sa bahay nila?
Oo. I-tour tayo dito sa bahay niya. Yun, yung kanina doon sa baba, ano lang niya yun, rest house.
Some of the circle know my house. Boy, because they church here.
Okay. Yung Hanto house, Hanto girl.
Big building is my house. This one. My side.
Ay, iglesia to.
Ah, this one?
Iglesia.
Junior.
Also the other one, the inside, the other also long house, my parents' house.
Oh, your house, Nani?
My house is big.
Big?
Now you sell, you can sell about 40 million.
Oh, malayo.
Before I buy the 20 years ago, I buy the about 8 million. Now
10 million.
now need 25 years ago, I buy the 8 million.
25%.
Now need
60 million.
Sell, can
60.
sell the 40.
40?
Maybe
Oh.
something like that.
Because the land is bigger.
Oh.
There.
You're very rich.
No, not rich.
Ay, by the way, Jason, did you have been in the Philippines?
No, never been. Because my asawa don't allow me go to Philippines.
Why?
Because Philippines so many maganda, Philippines. In circle now, until now, service the circle 10 years. Do you know her my scandal? No, ma.
Yes.
If I have the driver have a scandal, like the Luna, all the people. You see, Jason is very funny. Jason use the mouse.
You're so very kind.
Naga Hanto CCTV ah. Maybe you have chicks in Sercom Hanto CCTV.
Ayaw niya nga.
Kaya nga sabi niya pagka nagano daw ng Sercom maraming ano mata.
Really punchy ah.
Siyempre susumbong siya. Lapit lang pala.
Easy.
Maybe next year we retire 吧，家对吧？Next year already 60 啊。
60.
60 哦，already 60 哦。I was born in 1965 哦。
1965.
Yeah, so next year is
But it
60
looks
哦。
like 50 ah.
It looks like
No
50.
useful ah.
May konsi.
My life
Ano
was
daw
so
yung ano, yung
simple lah,
Viagra?
simple life, bro.
Ah, sabi mo nga.
Extreme.
May konsiya, yung Viagra.
Ito tama?
Di tama?
I don't know.
Maybe,
Na, naga-xiao-xiao.
maybe yung xiao-xiao, yung tatala.
然后小小东西，然后用那个不要给它小小大的啦。
Tata. You take Robos ha.
Loko ka mali, naka-vlog ka pa.
Ay, naka-vlog pala to.
I-edit mo yan.
Hindi na, bahala na sila dyan.
Kaya tawa-tawa na yung pag-English yun. English barok-barok.
60 na daw next year, no?
Oo. 60 years old.
Sana mabutan pa natin yung 65, no? Para mag-pension tayo.
My parents are very old. My parents are 87 too.
Oh.
Father, same age. 87.
87, now ni very strong. Yo, jogging
No,
ma?
no.
Ah,
My
Jason
father,
mostly naga-Taiwan rin. Naga-sway. 60 plus, 70.
87.
Philippines, only 40 ya die.
dahil lang.
Day!
Maybe then fuck.
Lele, may kwan siya, Pilipine.
May wasampan eh. No, pak.
Pak.
Ano string ah.
Kaya daw 40 na mamatay na yung Pinoy kasi nga always pak daw. Tama nga naman. Yung mga Taiwanese kasi hindi naman ng mga to eh. Minsan lang sa sa isang linggo eh. Minsan wala pa daw eh.
Naka-masturbate, may kwansi ma.
Masturbate.
Very fast. Very fast.
Xiao.
Oh, big. You see the banana. Big.
Banana. Ito ba, parang banana daw ah.
Small eh. Medium eh.
加包蛋了，the other kind of banana 嘛，哦，the small or they have two kind of banana.
Kaya pala mga Pinoy, mga 40 years old, may maraming nang namamatay kasi pak daw everyday. Magaling din yung mga to eh.
Everyday okay ah.
Pero
Pak.
sa kanila kasi hindi nila inuubos yung lakas nila eh. Oo nga. Oh, putol. Oh, parang laruan lang eh.
Meron sila ba paano?
Hindi kasi ayaw nila, hindi sila mahilig.
Parang may Carlos kung mahilig. 3 times a day no?
Lapan.
Okay.
Lapan. Naga Philippine rin. Naga sex is
3 times a day.
3 times a day.
Not 7 times. 7 times.
7 times. Ah? 7 times daw, Carlos.
1 night 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
6, 7 times.
7 times.
7
Lele la.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Taiwan rin. Mio. Taiwan.
Taiwan need work lah.
Hard work eh, Taiwan.
Already know any.
Only 1 month, only iga.
No lah. Like so-called Filipino, they say just
Oh, yung mga Taiwanese kasi, hindi sila mahilig sa mga ganon.
No money, no time.
Ah,
No power ah.
Yeah.
hindi sila mahilig.
No time.
No time na daw.
No money, no
Kaya
time.
pagka nag-asawa kayo ng mga Taiwanese, asahan nyo ng ano,
Pag malibog ka, wala na.
wala na.
Tapos ang karir mo.
Hanggang dito na lamang yung ating vlog. In-interview si Dopan.